Namaskar dosto. Before I start today's class, let me give you one powerful line from Sanskrit. Arogyam paramam bhagyam swasthyam savarth sadhanam. This means good health is the greatest fortune and health is the foundation of all achievements, right? इसका मतलब है भाई अच्छा स्वास्थ्य सबसे बड़ा सौभाग्य है और स्वास्थ्य ही जीवन की सारी सफलता का आधार है. So tell me friends, are you giving time to your health? Do you go for walk daily? If not, maybe today's talk will inspire you. Welcome to my 21st spoken English series, and yes, today I am not inside the garden. I am just walking outside the garden. The road is clean. A few people are passing by and I have already finished my exercise. I did walking, stretching and some breathing exercises. And now while talking outside, I'm talking to you. While walking outside, I'm talking to you. The weather is almost good. थोड़ी सी गर्मी है, but it is still okay. Fresh air is coming. And yes, one more thing. Today a team from Bhagwati Ayurveda is also here near the garden. They are spreading awareness about health and lifestyle. They are guiding people about yoga, natural remedies and daily exercise. It looks like advertisement, but in reality it is awareness. So friends, let's start our topic. Why exercise, and especially morning exercise, is so important in our daily life. The question is why morning exercise matters, right? So friends, exercise means vyayam. It's not only about gym or muscles. It is about respecting your body. Let me explain step by step, okay? We get freshness of morning, right? Tell me, don't you feel different in the morning air? Less traffic, less pollution, birds singing, sunlight soft. This natural environment gives peace and energy. If you start your day with mobile scrolling, you feel lazy. If you start with a walk, you feel active. Okay. Second thing, exercise gives more oxygen to the brain. More oxygen means more focus and better memory. Students can study better, professionals can work better. Even I feel my speaking becomes sharper after exercise. Do you also feel the same after a walk? Third point is immunity, मतलब रोग से लड़ने की शक्ति. Walking and yoga improve blood circulation and increase white blood cells. These protect us from disease, so daily walk is daily medicine. Fourth is when we exercise, our body release endorphins, the happy hormones. They reduce stress, remove anger and make us positive. So if you want to, then your body do your exercise. Fifth is morning exercise is a routine. Waking up, wearing shoes, stepping out, it creates discipline in life, right? And discipline is the secret of success. Now I am giving you guys types of simple exercise. First, walking outside, like I am doing right now. Jogging for stamina, or you can do yoga for balance of mind and body. Stretching is for flexibility, and breathing exercise for lungs, skipping for heart health. So I hope, you tell me guys, you tell me which one is your favorite, walking or yoga. Now I am giving you the one thing which is every people says, excuse. I don't have time. I feel lazy in the morning. I will start from Monday. That have the excuses from the lazy peoples. But friends, think carefully. When you are sick, do you get time? No, You waste days, weeks, money and energy. So better to invest 15 minutes daily in health than to spend 15 days in hospital. Just tell me. Now I'm sharing my feeling. Like today, after walking outside the garden, I feel so fresh. My body is light, my mind is active and my words are flowing. This is the real magic of morning exercise. Even the Ayurveda doctors nearby are saying the same. Prevention is better than cure, and prevention starts with morning walk. Okay, now this is our spoken class, so let's practice sentences. Okay, so what you have to do, just daily videos repeat with me. I wake up early in the morning. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ भाई. And I go for a walk outside the garden. मैं garden के बाहर walk करता हूँ. I do some exercise daily. मैं रोज व्यायाम करता हूँ. And I drink water after my walk. मैं walk के बाद पानी पीता हूँ. और morning exercise keeps me fresh. Morning exercise मुझे fresh रखती है. Say it loudly. Did you try? Good. Now I'm giving you final motivation to all of you guys. So let's promise today. Every morning, even if only 10 to 15 minutes, we will move our body. Whether inside garden or outside garden doesn't matter. The main point is don't skip exercise. And one more idea, guys. While walking, practice English. For example, I'm walking outside. I am breathing deeply. I'm enjoying the morning. This way your health and English both will improve together. Okay. So, dosto, that's all for today. This was our 21st spoken English lesson with health tips, motivation and practice. Always remember, a healthy body creates a powerful mind, and a powerful mind builds a successful life. Thank you so much. Stay fit, stay motivated, and keep learning English with me. See you in the next class. Bye bye.